Today we are going to be dyeing our hair. I'm gonna strip the purple out of my hair. I'm pretty sure I made an intro already, but hey, this could be another intro. So I'm gonna strip the purple out of my hair to reveal the blonde underneath and then put aquamarine on top of it. So this is what it looks like. So I hope you guys stay tuned. Put your thumbs up, comment, let me know what you guys think. I really like the purple in my hair. I'll show you guys footages of the purple. The purple I think complemented my skin tone the most. The aquamarine color kind of has like a green tint to it, which aquamarine, but I didn't really think about it. I should have went with the other blue color. I forgot what it's called. But yeah, anyways, so this is what it turned out like. I kind of like it, kind of don't. I have like a love-hate relationship with the outcome. The color is beautiful, but I feel like on my skin tone, it just makes me look a little washed out. Like anything green on me doesn't look good. I feel like this looks so good on like lighter skin girls, like paler complexion. It is beautiful, but for me, I don't know. I don't know. I'm trying to love it. I'm gonna see how long I'm gonna wear it before I strip it out and put another color in it. So yeah. On camera, it looks a bit darker, but it's actually like a true aquamarine color. It's like a mermaid color. It really is. So I'm gonna show you guys footage of it outside as well. But yeah, I hope you guys like this. Hey guys, so we're about to take down this mess, and I'm going to attempt to lighten, or what is it? Strip the color out of my hair using the things I have at home already, which is purple shampoo, some Dawn soap. This is Dawn soap. I just pump it in this thing. 10 developer, baking soda, and I think that's it. So basically, you can use like a clarifying shampoo, like Head and Shoulder, but I don't have that, so I figured that the purple shampoo would work. Plus, it will cancel out any sort of brassiness that I have in my hair underneath this purple. So this purple was Purple Rain from Arctic Fox. It was beautiful. I'm gonna have to post pictures and videos and footages of my hair. I didn't record it. I wish I would have recorded me like dyeing it myself, but I don't know why I didn't, like a big dummy. But now, this has been in my hair since August 25th. Okay, this is the root that it has grown. So it's grown that much, and it was purple. It was beautiful. So this it's still not terrible. It's still not ugly, because I know some other colors fade to like a really gross looking color. But this purple is really pretty. I'm just kind of over it. I've had it for August, September, October, like 2.5 months basically. And I don't know. I was thinking of maybe refreshing it, but I don't know. I don't even know what I'm gonna do next. So like this morning I walked into Sally's Beauty Supply and I'm like, okay, I'm going to go back to blonde, right? And so I was just gonna grab the T18 Wella developer, and I was like, okay, cool. And I was in there for like 20 minutes contemplating what I wanted to do. And then I was like, I did not think this through. Like this was, I didn't have a plan. So I was like, I'm gonna put it back. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna strip my hair and see what my hair looks like and kind of go from there. So if I needed to bleach it, you know, I can bleach it. If I don't, then I won't. If I don't like the blonde that I already have, then I might go a blue, like aquamarine, or maybe even red, wrath. So I don't know. So whatever lies underneath this purple is what's gonna predict my future hair color. So let's mix this together. I don't even know the measurements, guys. I'm very, very terrible at this. Oh no, let's put some, you know, Aquaphor around my forehead, because purple shampoo literally won't come off until the next day. So a little bit on my ear. Purple shampoo. I don't even know how much I'm supposed to put. Dawn soap. Developer. Okay, I might have overdid the developer, to be god honest. Oops. Alright, well, let's put more shampoo. Maybe I should put regular. I don't know. Baking soda? Oh god. Okay, and then I'm gonna put what is this? It's called amino. It's a protein. So I'm putting a little bit of protein in it because I don't know what this is going to do to my hair. I feel like it's a healthier option versus like the color removal. So we'll see. So I feel like the consistency is super thin. So I'm just going to pump like this really cheap shampoo. This is my husband's shampoo. It has sulfate, all the bad stuff in it, you know, parabens. So just put it in there because you want the color to come out. So paraben and sulfate will definitely strip your color out. But yeah, so okay, it's getting a little thicker, so I'm a little happy. So it's getting a little thicker. Before it was super runny. Maybe some more baking soda. So I'm gonna do most of this hair stuff like in the bathroom. It's literally, I'm just gonna put it all over my hair. Because if I do it here, I'm literally gonna get it all over my carpet and my white furniture, and it's just not happening. So I showed you guys a concoction, so I'm about to literally paint it on my hair. So this is what it looks like. It's super purple because of the purple shampoo. It's lifting a little bit from like my roots, like where it's been grown. From here to here, because I don't know why. I thought I had a reason. But I don't know why. It's just lifting there. And then the rest is like really on there. Like it's not lifting. And I don't know, like, I don't know what I did to this purple, but it stayed on my hair for almost 3 months, which is usually strange because purple rain usually washes out of your hair probably after like a month and a half, maybe even 2 months. And I didn't even touch up. I only touched up my roots. I never touched up the rest of my hair. And it was still that vibrant. I mean, it's a good ass product, but damn, it is like in there. But yeah, so let's see what it looks like. You guys, it worked. So my hair is still wet. It's like a cross between like ash blonde with green. There were some spots that it did not take out, but once my hair dries, you'll probably be able to see that more. That might have been my bad because it's weird. It like skipped a section here, so totally my fault. But yeah, I'm gonna go back and probably redo this if I choose to go, depending on how my hair looks when it's dry. I'm either gonna go blonde, I'm gonna tone it, or I am gonna go blue or red or something else. So excuse me for the lighting, because I was in the middle of doing something and my bestie just being like, come over, come over, come over. So now we're at her house and she's gonna do my hair and I'm recording on my phone without a tripod or a ring light, but we're gonna make it work. It's okay.
Yes, we are. It's gonna look awesome. I can't wait.
I know, I'm so excited.